Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the bands on your Fitbit Charge 4. To start, we'll give the example of changing to a large size band. To do that, all you need to do is replace the bottom section of your band. So you'll turn your tracker over, and on the back side you'll see this little indentation mark. That's what you can press down on and then pull out to remove the band. So I'll press down and pull out. To insert the band, you just align it up and press it in gently until you hear a click. And then give it a tug to make sure that it is in securely. Now if you want to change to a different color or style of band, you will have to obviously remove both sections, and it's basically the same thing. Push down, gently pull out, push down, gently pull out. And if you need to know which side the band with the clasp goes on, it should be on the top when you're looking at your display. So like this. So again, just line up and push in gently, and you hear that click. Give it a tug, make sure it's in there good. And again, line up, push in gently till you hear a click, and give it a tug. So that's how you change the bands on your Fitbit Charge 4. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up down below or let me know in the comments section. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.